In this video, I will teach you how to type anything and turn it into a video for free. This is Mochi.ai. Step 1. Type Genmo.ai. Their name is Genmo and they have a model called Mochi 1. Before I teach you how to use it, first, let's see what kind of quality we can expect. Nice. Sexy. Black. Asian. White. Jelly. Monkey! Step 2. All we gotta do is we gotta click on Try Now. Step 3. Click on Login or Sign Up. Continue with Google. Step 4. It's very simple. You click your mouse here, describe your video, and we will say a tribal man staring at the camera with hair flying in the wind, and then click on Generate. As you can see right here, it says pending, which means the video is pending. As it's pending, let me show you two other videos I have created. A mother reading a story to a baby robot in bed. Does not get any creepier, but hey, look, it's real, she looks real, the robot is robot, and of course it's a free model, so we have some kind of morphing with the hands, but hey, this can take you a long way for free. And then of course you can click on this to download it. And then whoop, it's right here downloaded. A cartoon of a monkey wearing headphones in a gaming chair in a typical gaming bedroom. He is talking and excited. Well, let's see. We definitely have a monkey. We got the headphones, gaming chair, typical gaming bedroom. He is talking for sure and excited. This is pretty darn good. And here, this is real time. It takes about, I would say, 2 minutes per video. And you can have prompt ideas, but who needs that? Look at that. It just kind of like, it gives you like the best what they think. As it's updating, we have 1% left. Let's talk about the upgrade now feature. So here's the free plan. You basically get 4 videos every 6 hours and you can do up to 30 videos. It does have a Genmo watermark. You can easily remove that. And a standard generation speed. This is the most important part, I would say. Standard generation speed. Now we have light. It's $10 a month. You get 8 videos every 6 hours. So you're going from a slave to like an upgraded slave, up to 80 videos, but it's the same speed. Now standard, 32 videos every 6 hours, 180 videos a month, full commercial usage right, priority access to new models of future, high speed priority generation. This is very important. This is probably the best deal if you're serious. Like if you want to make a storyboard and you want to test the scene, it could cost you hundreds of dollars just to test something and it's wrong. You can test it out here and then see what it looks like. Now let's go back to click on my generations. You can see this one, boom, and it's done. Let's see what we get. I must say this is darn good. Like good. The depth of field on his nose, he's tribal, he's in some cloudy, his hair is flying. Just imagine like you can turn this into a trailer. Let me just add something here. In a land far away comes for you a man that knows no blinking. And ladies and gentlemen, that was Genmo Mochi 1 for free. This was Teach a Monkey AI.